A task is a to-do such as an email, a phone call, a meeting, or simply an action that has occurred, or needs to occur with an account, contact, or opportunity. In the Overview tab of the Tasks module, we have a summary on existing tasks, and their different statuses. We can click on each task for viewing more details, or click and drag them as their status changes. Different filters can be applied for a variety of views. In the Reports tab, we have the same information in a list format. Here, we cannot move tasks by clicking and dragging, but we can click to open the task for editing, or check them off as completed. It is best that tasks are always associated with an account, contact, or opportunity, hence we recommend creating a new task within those modules, and using the Task module to view or edit existing tasks. And that's a short overview on this module. Explore more detailed videos on the CentrixOne Academy, or talk to us for a demo or further training.